Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting and transformative topics of our time, the rise of renewable energy technology. As the world continues to face climate change and resource depletion, innovations in solar, wind, and other renewable sources are revolutionizing how we power our lives. From cutting-edge advancements to the global shift towards sustainability, we'll explore how these technologies are shaping our future. If you're passionate about a cleaner, greener planet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on the latest tech trends. Number 5. Job creation. The rise of renewable energy technology is fostering significant job creation across various sectors. As the demand for clean energy grows, industries such as solar, wind, hydroelectric, and battery storage are expanding, leading to a need for skilled workers. Jobs in engineering, research and development, and manufacturing are particularly in demand as companies develop and produce new technologies. Installation and maintenance workers are also essential to ensure the efficiency and longevity of renewable energy systems. In addition, the renewable energy sector is supporting supply chains, including logistics, materials, and equipment manufacturing, which indirectly generates further employment opportunities. This growth in job creation is seen globally, with many countries investing in green jobs as a part of their economic recovery and sustainability strategies. By focusing on clean energy, governments and businesses can provide stable, long-term employment opportunities, while simultaneously addressing environmental concerns and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. This creates a mutually beneficial scenario for both the economy and the planet. Number 4. Energy independence. Renewable energy technologies, such as solar, wind, and hydropower, are increasingly seen as solutions to reduce reliance on imported fossil fuels. Countries around the world are investing in renewables to enhance their energy security by generating power domestically. This shift is driven by both economic and geopolitical factors, as energy independence provides greater control over energy prices and reduces vulnerability to foreign supply disruptions. By diversifying energy sources, nations can also buffer against price fluctuations in global markets for oil, coal, and natural gas. Renewable energy infrastructure, especially solar and wind, can be deployed locally in both urban and rural areas, reducing the need for long-distance energy transport. This decentralization of energy generation supports local economies and helps stabilize regional energy markets. Furthermore, as renewables become more cost-competitive, the transition to clean energy fosters long-term energy independence and sustainability, ensuring a more stable and predictable energy future for nations around the world. Number 3. Environmental impact. Renewable energy plays a critical role in mitigating environmental damage. Unlike fossil fuels, which release carbon dioxide and other harmful greenhouse gases, when burned, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower produce little to no emissions. This shift to cleaner energy sources is essential in combating global warming and reducing the impact of climate change. As renewable technologies evolve, their environmental footprint continues to decrease, particularly with the development of more efficient energy storage solutions that reduce waste. Furthermore, renewable energy can help protect ecosystems by decreasing the need for large-scale extraction and mining of fossil fuels, which often cause habitat destruction and pollution. By transitioning to renewable energy, the world can significantly reduce air pollution, promote biodiversity, and safeguard natural resources, contributing to a healthier and more sustainable planet for future generations. This environmental impact is a driving force behind the growing global commitment to renewable energy adoption and long-term climate goals. Number 2. Global investment growth. Renewable energy technologies have seen a surge in investment over recent years, driven by both public and private sector interests. Governments around the world are offering incentives, subsidies, and tax breaks to accelerate the transition to cleaner energy sources. Countries are setting ambitious renewable energy targets, such as net zero emissions by 2050, which further fuel the demand for green technologies. At the same time, private investors and venture capitalists are pouring significant funds into the development of renewable energy projects and infrastructure. This has led to rapid advancements in the efficiency and scalability of technologies like solar, wind, and battery storage systems. The growth of financial support is also helping lower the cost of renewable energy, making it more competitive with traditional fossil fuels. As a result, renewable energy is becoming an increasingly attractive option for both emerging and developed economies. contributing to the global shift towards sustainable and cleaner energy sources. This trend is expected to continue as the push for environmental responsibility intensifies. Number 1. Technological advancements. Recent technological advancements in renewable energy have dramatically improved the performance and affordability of sustainable energy sources. In solar power, innovations in photovoltaic, PV cell technology have led to higher conversion efficiency, meaning solar panels can generate more energy from the same amount of sunlight. The development of perovskite solar cells offers even greater promise, as they are cheaper to produce and more efficient than traditional silicon-based cells. Wind energy technology has also evolved, with larger, more efficient turbines that capture more wind energy and can operate in a wider range of wind conditions. Offshore wind farms are being built to harness stronger, more consistent winds. In addition, advances in battery storage, such as solid-state batteries and other energy storage solutions, are crucial for managing renewable energy supply. These technologies allow energy to be stored during periods of high production and used when demand is greater than supply, making renewables more reliable and accessible for grid integration. These innovations are making renewable energy not only more efficient, but also more economically viable for widespread adoption. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's been great diving into the incredible advancements in renewable energy technology. From solar and wind to breakthrough innovations, the future of sustainable power is brighter than ever. As we continue to embrace these changes, it's exciting to think about the impact they'll have on our world. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the rise of renewables. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on technology trends and innovations. See you in the next video.